Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Chase Bank. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Chase Bank, which looks like this. If you already have an account, you can click on the sign in button appearing on the right hand side of the screen and follow the on-screen prompts in order to log into your account. If you'd like to create a new account or sign up right now, click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link beneath the sign in button. In order to enroll or sign up for Chase Bank, you'll need some of your information. Remember that your social security number or your tax ID number, your account application number, your phone number or your email should be available to you before beginning. Go ahead and choose what kind of an account you'd like to enroll with. You can choose from personal, business, or commercial. Select one of the options and enter your account number, your card number, or your application number in the text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field and type in your social security number. If you don't have a social security number available, click on No Social Security Number link and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, create a username for yourself. Make sure that your username must be 8 to 32 characters long. It must contain at least one letter and one number. Once the username is available, click the next button. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and enter all of the information correct, and that way you'll be able to sign up for Chase Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.